Something tells me that he wants in.
The fearless feline got stuck on a telephone pole for...
I believe I can fly.
How to tell when your cat's eating too much.
You full, buddy?
Slow down, grab the wall, wiggle like you're trying to make your ass fall out.
Bro, I don't like the way you looking at me. Why you looking at me like that? Why you looking at me like that? Why you looking at me like that? Oh shit!
Meow, 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 meow.
Hello?
Hey, I heard you got the new cat phone.
Yeah, it's the cat's meow.
This is Cal. Say hi, Cal.
What? How are you doing this? Have I ever told you how beautiful you are? Ah!
How to get your fat cat to exercise. Want a treat? Want a treat?
That is not a cat.
Yes, it is.
Why is it inside out?
Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Come on. Good. Ah!
You keep looking at me, I'm gonna put you in the fucking ground, I promise you.
I will fucking destroy you. Make it my mission in life.
Hey, I got your... Again?
Sometimes I like sneaking up on Bozoon. Boo.
Hey, Venus, what are you doing?
If Venus were not here, I would not know what to do.
You know the bar's open over here.
It's the kind of beat to go.